Hey guys, Andy Glass here, Glass Impressions. I want to show you a little bit of insight of what I'm doing today here on my ShopBot CNC, and I want your feedback. I have been prototyping this router bit and CNC bit storage tray at an MDF. It has 1/4 inch holes here and 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch holes here. I'm using V-bit or V-tipped bits from a Manitool to make these, and so that's the reason for the 1 inch thick. Now I'm going to get custom made bits to get better tolerances and avoid the commercial products that are on the market right now. The issues with those, they're too tight or they're too loose or they're made out of foam and not durable. The 1/4 inch bit has just an absolute perfect slit fit and it's just wonderful. The 3/8 inch bit is a little bit loose, but I noticed that my programming was a little weak as far as the plunge, so I'm going to make that a little bit an outlier and kind of ignore that. But the 1/2 inch bit is way too tight and has the same issues as the commercial units on the market right now and what I'm trying to avoid. So what I would like from you guys, or I guess let's take a step back, the solutions that I'm going to fix there is I'm going to get custom made bits that are ground to the perfect tolerances that I want to kind of replicate this nice slip fit that the 1/4 inch bit has here. And what that's going to do, it's going to get rid of the V bit. It's going to be flat bottom bits, so I can go back to 3/4 inch thick MDF. So that'll save me on shipping as well as, you know, handling efforts and things like that. But what I want from you guys is I want your comments on the hole patterns, the number of holes for each, you know, specific diameter. I don't know those off the top of my head, but this is 6 inches wide by 8 inches long. Let's double check that. 8 inches. I lied. 10 inches long. So it's 6 by 10. I think it's a really good size. If you have a heck of a collection, you obviously can get multiples there. But my plan is to bring this to market in the neighborhood of somewhere between $6 and $10 per unit plus shipping, and that is in way under what the commercial units are right now. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your feedback. Go ahead and leave that in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching.